Peace and love, spread love, not hate. It's your boy Chef Disaster3.0, and I'm in the kitchen again, frying some delicious, crispy Southern style mustard fried chicken. In here, I'm mixing up some chicken legs and chicken thighs. Got the grease going while I'm mixing that up, so we know that grease is 350 degrees. Gonna dredge it in some of that beautiful flour, that sweet flour. You know, we try to eat healthy over here any way we can. Drop it in that grease. That's what you want to see when you put chicken in the grease. You want to see the chicken frying. So now that we know the chicken's hot, we're going to go ahead and load up a couple more pieces in there. Get this thing going. We got 3 batches to go. We're going to fry this until it's golden brown. Probably 6 minutes on each side while tossing and turning the chicken in the skillet. We're going to cook some chicken and we're going to talk to my grandmother. Not my real grandmother, but someone I consider a grandmother, like my grandmother. Peace and love, spread love, not hate. Let's dredge up this chicken, y'all. Let's get it in there. Peace and love, spread love, not hate. Now look at that. Look at that, y'all. That's what you want to see. That chicken talking to you. It's going to be really delicious. Yup. Like it's air view, like it's coming from a drone. Let's get it. We got food for thought coming up for you in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Peace and love, spread love, not hate. It's your boy Chef D in the kitchen again. Here's a little bit of food for thought for you. You know, once you go through all your ups and downs and you climb up out that mud, God cleans you off. God also puts you through the mud to make sure you can show you how you feel. How you really feel once you clean up all the drama, the negativity, the toxic stuff in your life. You know what I'm saying? Be appreciative of the things that you go through. Because when you're going through something and you feel like it's the worst thing ever, just know that there's somebody else going through something way worse than you. So appreciate every blessing you get every day. Because you never know when it could be your last blessing. You know what I'm saying? Peace and love, spread love, not hate. Food for thought. Enjoy your meal today. Eat what's on your plate. Now. Chef Disaster's mustard fried chicken. You see it, golden brown. Couple more minutes before those things are done. You already know, you know. It's that honey wheat and you don't waste nothing, you heard? Right now, I just flipped over the thighs. They're easy. They're frying, getting that nice golden brown color. Evenly frying because I put the same cuts of chicken to cook in the same pan at the same time. So that makes a big difference, as you can see. That's the consistency of frying, that color. So you can have that crunch evenly all the way through. You can love spread love and the chicken, you know. See what we got here. Put that bad boy over. Oh yeah. This is golden brown. Look at that. Got that nice crunch on it. That's how I like my chicken. I don't know about yours. That's how I like my chicken. That's why I like frying in the skillet. It gives it much more a harder pull. It gives it much more of a crispy exterior. We'll go hear that. Yeah. Even all the way through. You see that? 2 batches down, 1 more batch to go. What I did was find a hot pot in the pan by moving the pan to one side of the eye. That way, because in this batch there's legs and thighs, so that you can still get that even brown exterior You know what I'm saying? As a chef, you gotta learn how to figure these things out in the kitchen, you heard? Food for thought. Like, love, not hate. Salty, yeah. Yeah, definitely salty. But then you like, you do it sparingly. Like, I'll eat bacon, but I'm not gonna eat like 50 pieces every day. You know what I mean? I eat it sparingly.
Yeah, I want some bacon, because I was having taste for some bacon actually.
Oh yeah.
But one of those bacons wasn't that salty.
You must have brought some low sodium bacon.
It might have been.
Yeah.
I don't think it was. It wasn't as salty as that Smithfield. I think the Smithfield was much saltier than the other one.
Yeah, Smithfield is a good company.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I know.
I think they got one in North Carolina.
I think that's where it's from.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Fayetteville.
Right. Because they got it. The name of the town is Smithfield.
Right.
And I remember driving past a bunch of them, and you can smell when you drive past one.
Yeah, they have. My father used to smoke too.
Oh yeah. So yup, Smithfield is definitely in North Carolina.
Yep.
Did y'all used to take your animals to like a slaughterhouse? Or y'all used to do the slaughtering yourself?
My dad used to take the oil from after they fry it down.
Uh-huh.
The lard, make the lard out of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Lard you can use what kind of animal for the lard?
Pig.
Only the pig?
Yeah. I think it was the pig.
So lard would be the American version of manteca. Because when you put the pig fat in a jar, it does get solid. It goes back solid, like the lard does. I guess they refine it so much, the lard that they sell over here, because it's always so white. When you buy it from the store,
Yeah, they do something with it.
and it don't have no flavor. It has a different flavor.
The lard in the pack.
Yeah.
I used to buy that one.
Yeah, but it doesn't taste like the pig fat though.
No, no. Ain't nothing like a piece of fried down pork
Oh man.
with the skin on it.
Oh man. I was in. I was in Greenville, North Carolina. Twin said you had family down there. I spoke to a bunch of them. But yeah, Greenville, North Carolina. I lived there for 5 years, Grandma.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was nice. I loved it.
Greenville?
Yeah. North Carolina took my heart from New York.
Yeah.
I love North Carolina. But so I met someone who was selling the fried pig skins. Oh man.
Good, huh?
So good.
I know.
And she was making so much money off of them. But she'd get them by the box. You get a big old box for about $50. Yeah. Yeah, you can tell when you eating it. You can't eat too much of it. Because you're like, oh, if I keep doing this, it's going to be a problem.
They used to have stuff called crackling too. My mother used to have a crackling bread.
Right. That's the one that's more aerated, though. It's got like the little bubbles in it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the crackling, too.
It was like a crack. They were selling all in little tiny pieces, little pieces, and they were adding in a cornbread mix.
Up here.
Down south.
I didn't run into that. I was talking about the ones up here, and they got the on the back of it. It's got the fat on the back of it, so like you can almost bite it and peel the inside off, and the outer skin.
Oh
is
yeah.
there.
Yeah, they
That's what you're talking about, right?
in the dollar store.
Yes, I do like those. And there you have it, folks. My delicious, crispy, crunchy, Southern style mustard fried chicken. Came out really delicious. See you around for the next video. Peace and love, spread love, not hate. And I'm out.